Hi, I am here from KodiLearn. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download goodife magazine and newspaper WordPress theme for free. As you can see, this is the goodife magazine and newspaper WordPress theme. This is about $59 theme, and here as you can see, it is downloaded 2,674 times, and its rating in 4.49 and 140 ratings. If you do not know about this theme, then this goodife theme is one of the best magazine theme. If you want to create a blog site in WordPress, then it is one of the best theme for you. So here as you can see, this is the website. So let me show you how the demo website looks like. So here is the demo website. As you can see, this is the demo website. Here as you can see, the top bar means menu is sticky right now, and here as you can see, here you can put your ad to earn some money. From that also you can put your ads, and this is the video. So like this you can also post the video, and as you can see, this is the HTML5 video player, and it looks amazing. And this, as you can see, this sidebar is sticky, and as you can see, this looks amazing. And let me show you a few other features about this website. And here obviously here is the ad, so that you can earn the money by putting the ads. And here is the search bar, and here are the social icons and login and register. Here are all some menus also. Here you can see search bar, and here is the mega menu, so that user can easily switch between the categories. And let me show you how the actual page will look like. So let me click in one of the blog page, means blog post. So you will see how the actual blog post will look like. So as you can see, this is the actual blog post. Here as you can see, this is sticky right now. Here user can share this post, and it's looking nice. And here also user can share this post, and here as you can see, here it is showing the post titles. It is looking amazing, like in the home page that was showing this menu, and here obviously it is sticky and it looks cool. And this demo website is very cool, and user can share from here, and it shows latest news or related posts that you can see here, and it looks amazing. And here are lots of other demo websites right there. So let me show you other demo websites also. So this is one of the demo website that is as the default. So here are other also, like if you want to have the good for the sports and gaming. And here are the tech websites, so it will be very better for the tech website and traveling website, news websites, musical website, good vlog, good times, and many others. Like if you want to have this dark theme in your website, then it is very good, and good magazine and good feed. So let me show you the dark theme, and it is obviously this is the dark theme, and it looks amazing. And this comes, its design is amazing, and when the user comes, obviously it is in the dark theme. And here as you can see, this is the sticky, and here is so the button. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can import all of these demos, and how you can get this goodife magazine and newspaper theme for free. So it is absolutely free, 100% free. If you do not know, then this is the #1 blog theme in the theme for sites, and it is very popular right now. And I'll give this file for free, means this theme. So you'll get this goodife theme from the description. Just download it. If you are having any problem while downloading this file, then you can obviously check out the video. So from the description in that video, I have told you how you can download the any theme and plugins from the link. So when you get this file, just right click and just click on extract here or extract. Just let me click on extract here, and when it is extracted, it will show here. As you can see, this is the theme. So here is the licensing, you can read or whatever you can do. And here is the documentation. Obviously if you want to read the documentation, then you can watch the documentation. And this is the child theme. So if you want to the child theme is very useful when you know the HTML and CSS and want to know custom CSS without harming the actual this theme. If you do custom CSS and put the CSS files in the actual theme, then it will affect the theme file. So if you use the child theme, then it will not affect, but actually while using the child theme, you must install the real theme. And here are all the required plugins. So let me extract it also. Let me click on extract here, let me close it, and here is the PSD gif. So if you want to know all the means PSD file, so Photoshop file, and here is the other stuffs like that. So here are all the plugins that are required for this. So let me click on the extract now also, and here extract, and let me extract here. Now as you can see, this is extracted JS Composer. This is the theme, so you need to compress it. So do not worry, I'll provide you by compressing it already. Let me close it, and here as you can see, this is compressed. So now let me go back, and here is the theme. So let me install on my website. So I have installed my website on localhost. So this is my website as you can see. So let me go to the dashboard. So here as you can see, this is the dashboard. Let me click on the appearance and themes. So I have this 2017 theme, and it looks quite ugly. So let me show you the website also, so that you can see the change in my website. So this is the 2017 theme. So it is quite boring, and 2020 theme also not good. So let me install this goodife theme. So let me click on upload theme, and let me drag and drop this goodife theme. So just drag and drop in your website. Just click on install now. So now it is installing. So if you are new in our channel, then consider subscribing and hit the bell and notification if you want to get the more themes and plugins for free like this. I always create video on that. So if you are new in the channel, please obviously do that. So now it is activated. So let me refresh this page, and now this page is completion. Now as you can see, it's not looking too good. So it's not looking too good now because we haven't imported any demo content. So if we import any demo content, then it will look very nice, and we have not put any blog post here. So let me show you how you can do. So as you can see, this product is already activated. So this is activated. Let me click on install plugins to install the required plugins. So you can obviously install the plugins from here also. This is JS Composer if you want. Otherwise you can also install from here. So let me install this plugin goodife, which is the required plugin, and here is the demo content. So I'm going to install this theme. Now let me activate it. So it is compulsory, and let me click on the goodife and plugins. So if there is any plugins that is needed, then I will obviously import. So let me click on demo content import. So with this feature you can obviously import the demo content. So this is the demo content that is shown here. So I'm going to import this demo content. So let me click on the import option. So I'm going to import all of these. Let me click on import selected. So it may take up some time, which may depend upon your internet speed, or which may depend upon your website hosting provider or your website speed. So if you are new in our channel, then consider subscribing our channel, and please support me. Please share this video as much as you can. So if you need any plugins or themes for free, then you can obviously comment down below. I'll try to create a video on that themes or plugins as soon as I get your comment. And if you are having any problem installing this goodife theme, means if you get this site error, like an error has been occurred on your website, then kindly uninstall, means delete this theme from. Just go to the location where your WordPress is installed, and if your website is live, then you need to go to the file manager from the cPanel, and I have this in here. So as you can see, this is. So just go to wp-content and just go to themes and delete the goodife theme from here. But please remember that if you delete from here, then you'll get an error also. So just rename this theme with this name, exact name. Just copy this name and rename another theme with this. Then it will not affect your site, means you'll not get any error like this theme is not found. So as you can see, it is importing time. So I'll see some of the core feature and how you can do lots of things in this theme also. So do not worry about that. So let me skip this part because it is taking too much time. So as you can see, this demo website is imported. So as you can see, it looks cool, and here is the website. As you can see, this is my website, and here as you can see, demo website is imported. You can obviously edit this page with wp page filter, and here is the post page. So you can obviously add your own ads here. So let me go to goodife theme options, and here as you can see this is your page, and here you can go to the advertisements, and you can obviously add the advertisements, and you can paste in the HTML codes here, which through which you can earn little bit of money. Here as you can see this is exactly like the demo website that we were seeing, and here all the pages. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to subscribe channel and press the bell icon. And if you are new in the channel, then do not forget to subscribe, like, and if you want to get any plugins or themes like this, then obviously comment down below. I will try to create video on that also. So stay tuned. Goodbye.